Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion, we can meet again, we can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel cause the channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, like usual, we want talking about cryptocurrency and now I want share to you about Binance. Binance reserves a portal to operate in Kazakhstan. The Astana Financial Service Auditory has organized in principle authorization to the largest cryptocurrency exchange Binance to run a digital asset trading efficiently and over custody service in Kazakhstan. Authorized by local regulators in principle authorization to crypto exchange was generated by AFSA. The organization is an independent regulator of Astana International Financial Center, monitoring a wide spectrum of digital asset-related activities in Kazakhstan. Large investors seeking new markets need clear-cut and well-managed rules as well as high standards of regulatory practice. When a regulator meets these requirements, it creates collaborating based on the trust and an ecosystem where play can work safely and efficiently. We believe the Binance work will further develop this vibrant ecosystem of the digital asset industry locally and regionally, said Nurhat Komisov, Chief Executive Officer of AFSA. In the official statement, Kazakhstan became a popular location for crypto miners due to its comparatively inexpensive electricity following China's prohibition of the industry in 2021. Kazakhstan has shown itself to be a pioneer in Central Asian crypto adoption and regulation, said in a statement Changpeng Zhao, the founder and CEO of Binance. Zhao assured the Binance is committed to being a compliance first exchange operating across the globe. Binance assisting countries' crypto market growth. In May, Binance signed a memorandum of understanding with the Kazakhstan government to assist the country to develop the digital asset market. With this action, Binance will offer guidance on creating the legal system and regulatory framework for digital assets in the Republic of Kazakhstan. The Republic of Kazakhstan Ministry of Digital Development, Innovation and Auspress Industry and Binance will work together to find ways to integrate banking infrastructure into the cryptocurrency market and promote the creation and use of distributed ledger technology as part of their cooperation agreement. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch all video of this channel cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, Maybe just this. Thank you very much. See you.